As Jesus is meek and humble, Father, you too have shown the same humility and kindness to us. Thank you, Father, for being such an inspiration in our lives.
Thank you, Father Patricio, for spiritually enriching our lives.
Thank you, Father Patricio, for being with us for the last 16 years. It has really been an experience for me to be here to sing for the choir for the Mass of 6 a.m. and you being an enriching and encouraging factor. Thank you, Father.
देव बरें करूं फादर. गेल्ली 16 वर्सां म्हज्या जिवितान, म्हज्या खासगी जिवितान जायतें बरेंपण हांवें तुजे वरवीं भोगलां फादर. सो ताका लागून हांव तुका देव बरें करूं म्हणटा. तशेंच 1 वर्साक हांव 6 वरांच्या मिसाचेर कोयर देवाचे येवजणे प्रमाणे तुवें घडोवन हाडलें. ताका लागून हांव चड देव बरें करूं म्हणटा फादर. थँक्यू सो मच फादर. देव बरें करूं.
Thank you, Father, for your guidance, prayers, and dedicated service to our community.
All the best, Father Patricio. God bless you.